The all-new 2025 Toyota CHR High Hero is a bold evolution of Toyota's compact crossover lineup, blending futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and electrified performance. Its exterior features an ultra-glossy, aerodynamic body with sharp LED headlights, a dynamic front grille, and sculpted lines that give it a sporty yet premium presence. The shiny yellow paint enhances its striking appeal, making it stand out in any setting. Inside, the cabin is a high-tech masterpiece, featuring a fully digital dashboard, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and an AI-powered voice assistant for seamless control. The premium leather seats offer ventilation, heating, and memory functions, ensuring maximum comfort. Ambient lighting and high-quality materials like polished aluminum and soft-touch leather elevate the luxury experience. Under the hood, the electrified powertrain delivers impressive efficiency and smooth acceleration, with advanced driver assist features ensuring safety. The 2025 Toyota CHR High Hero is the ultimate urban EV, redefining style and innovation.